Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna make a fruit salad. Everybody knows how to make a fruit salad, but I'm gonna show you a dip or a sauce, depends on how you wanna use it, which is gonna make your fruit salad next level. Let's go at it. The ingredients are quite simple. You can use any fruits you like. This is what I chose. 1 orange, 1 pear, 1 banana, a few strawberries, and 2 potatoes. I'm just kidding, it's not potatoes, it's kiwi. On top of the fruits themselves, you'll need to make a dip that I just mentioned. And for that, I'm not gonna actually tell you the amounts of the ingredients to use. I will tell you what the ingredients are, obviously, but you're gonna have to use them to your own judgment and to your own taste. So you'll need some cinnamon here, some ginger, some honey, or anything else that you like as a sweetener. Then I got some cornstarch and some orange juice. The orange juice is replaceable with pretty much any juice you want. I've tried it with orange juice and I liked it, so I want to share this orange juice dip with you guys. So, the first thing we're doing is the sauce. To a hot pan, you're gonna add your orange juice. Then we're gonna start by adding some of our spices. So I'm gonna do about this much of cinnamon first. A small amount of ginger, like this much. And our entire honey. And we're just gonna mix this whole thing for, until it all dissolves well in there. Once it starts boiling, you wanna bring it down to low temperature. And keep mixing this thing. Now here's what you're gonna do next. To your cornstarch, you're gonna add some water and mix it so that it all dissolves. And this is gonna be used to thicken our sauce or dip, whatever you wanna call it. So you see it's boiling, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add, let's say 1 teaspoon at a time, and mix it well. This is gonna thicken our sauce, like I said before. You're gonna add so much that it doesn't turn into jam yet, but it's like soupy jam. I'm gonna show you in the end what it's supposed to look like. And what you're gonna do then is we're gonna put it in the fridge for like 10 to 20 minutes. Always taste what you cook and then add your spices accordingly. So if you need more ginger, add ginger or whatever, because I have my own taste and you have your own taste. So I've added about 5 teaspoons of cornstarch, and then in the end I get something like this. But importantly, you don't want it too thick, because once you put it in the fridge and after like it cools down for like 10 minutes or something, it's gonna become way thicker. So this is about what you'll need. In terms of thickness, it's not much thicker than just juice, but a bit thicker. So again, I added 5 teaspoons of cornstarch. And now you just want to take a bowl and move it all to the bowl. Don't forget to turn off your stove, like me. And just move it over. Don't put it in the fridge right away, because you're gonna, mess up your fridge. Just let it sit on the table for like 5 minutes and then it can go in the fridge. Now, while our sauce / dip is cooling down, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut our fruits. This part has no rules. You can cut it as you like. The way I'm gonna cut it is the way I see it. So if you feel like doing it in a cup or something else, then go ahead and do it. Here's what I'll do. First, clean my strawberries. And then just cut them like this, in thick, sort of, not really strips, just like this. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the orange again. And then just cut your orange, or my orange, in slices like this. So pretty much everything's gonna be cut in large slices. not much to add there. Bananas are also gonna go in rings. Kiwis are gonna go in, the circles. Same with pears. The only thing I can add here is that when you cut your bananas, one tip is that you do it sort of slanted like this. That way you get your bananas larger. But I mean, this is not crucial. And once you've cut up your fruits, you're pretty much done. Now you just have to assemble it all into a nice looking salad and then sprinkle your sauce/dip if you don't want to put it on top. Anyways, this is how I'm gonna do. You can do it, as I said a million times already, you can do it differently. I mean, I wasn't trying to teach you in this video how to cut or assemble your salad. The only thing I really wanted to show was how to make this dip, the fruit dip, but why not? Let's just make it a full video, right? So now the most important ingredient is your dip itself. Don't drown your salad in the dip. This is not gonna make it tastier. It will only kill the taste of your fruits. So just add some, like sprinkle it on top and make it look nice and taste nice. Or alternatively, just use it as a dip, which is also gonna be just fine. Anyways, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you in this video. Thanks for watching if you're still here with me. Please subscribe and leave your comments and likes. This will really help my channel to grow. If you found this video somewhat helpful and you learned something new, then maybe share it with your friends, and this will help us to grow all together, and I can teach you guys more stuff. Anyways, thank you for watching. Enjoy your life, enjoy your food. Have a good one.